If you are even thinking about carrying a gun for personal protection this year, this list is going to save you hundreds of dollars and a lot of regret. I tested, researched, and ranked the 10 best micro-compact pistols worth buying right now. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell, because this channel drops honest gun reviews every single week, and you do not want to miss the next one. Let's get straight into it. Number 10. Ruger Max 9. Starting off the list is the Ruger Max 9. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable everyday carry pistol, this one deserves your attention. Coming in at an MSRP around $559 with a 3.2-inch barrel, the Max 9 comes in at a price point that's hard to beat, and it doesn't cut corners on the things that matter. You get a crisp trigger, a slim profile that disappears under a t-shirt, and a magazine capacity of 10+1 in the flush fit mag, or 12+1 with the extended magazine included in the box, rivaling guns twice its price. If this is your first carry gun, the Max 9 is a smart, low-risk way to get started. It also comes with 2 interchangeable back straps, so you can adjust the grip circumference to fit smaller or larger hands without spending extra money on aftermarket parts. Ruger's build quality shows up in the smoothness of the slide and the consistency of the trigger pull, which is honestly better than a lot of pistols sitting at double the price. For a daily carry option that won't drain your bank account, this is one of the safest bets on this entire list. Make sure you smash that like button if budget-friendly picks like this one are exactly what you're looking for. Number 9. Taurus GX4. Next up is the Taurus GX4. And honestly, this pistol changed how people think about budget carry guns. A few years ago, cheap and reliable almost never went together in this category. The GX4 broke that stereotype. With an MSRP around $393, this might be the most affordable gun on this entire list. It's slim, it's light, and with an 11+1 flush magazine and a 13+1 extended magazine, it holds a solid round count for its size. The barrel comes in at right around 3 inches, keeping the whole package tight and concealable. The trigger has improved a lot compared to older Taurus models, and the ergonomics fit a wide range of hand sizes comfortably. If you want a gun you can carry every single day without your wallet taking a hit, the GX4 is one of the smartest choices on the market right now. It's also available in a TORO optics-ready configuration, which adds red dot compatibility without pushing the price into premium territory. Taurus has clearly invested in quality control over the last few years, and the fit and finish on current production models reflect that. For new shooters especially, this is a low-pressure way to step into concealed carry without feeling like you overspent on your very first pistol. Drop a comment below telling me if you already own one of these. I want to hear your experience with it. Number 8. Glock 43X MOS. Coming in at number 8 is the Glock 43X MOS. Glock built its reputation on simplicity and reliability, and the 43X MOS brings that same philosophy into the micro-compact world. With an MSRP sitting right around $580, a 3.41-inch barrel, and a 10+1 round capacity, it's one of the thinnest optics-ready pistols you can buy, which makes it a favorite for appendix carry. The slide is milled to accept a red dot directly, so you don't need an adapter plate, which keeps the overall height low and the concealment tight. Glock's reputation for running thousands of rounds without a hiccup carries straight over to this model. The magazine release, slide stop, and overall controls feel identical to every other Glock you've ever handled, which makes the transition seamless if you already train on a full-size Glock. Aftermarket support is enormous too, meaning holsters, sights, and triggers are easy to find no matter your budget. If you want boring in the best possible way, meaning it just works every time, this is your pistol. If you're new here, subscribe now so you catch every pistol breakdown we post. Number 7. Smith & Wesson Shield Plus. At number 7, we have the Smith & Wesson Shield Plus. This pistol took the original Shield formula and supercharged it. Priced around $550 with a 3.1-inch barrel, you're looking at 10+1 capacity with the flush magazine and a hefty 13+1 with the extended mag included in the box. That is a serious amount of firepower for something this small. The trigger has a flat face and a crisp, clean break that makes fast, accurate follow-up shots much easier. The grip texture is aggressive enough to help with retention and recoil control without being uncomfortable for all-day carry. If capacity combined with concealability is your top priority, the Shield Plus deserves a serious look. Hit that like button if you're building your shortlist as we go through this video. Number 6. Kahr X9. Sliding into the number 6 spot is the Kahr X9. This one flies under the radar more than it should, sitting at a premium MSRP of $929 with a 9+1 capacity in a slim single-stack style magazine. It's an incredibly slim and lightweight micro pistol, designed specifically for comfortable, all-day, everyday carry. Kahr has always been known for building thin, smooth-shooting guns, and the X9, with its short, easy-to-conceal barrel, continues that tradition. If you have a smaller frame, or you carry appendix style and hate printing through your shirt, this is one of the most comfortable options on this entire list. Comment down below if you've heard of this brand before. I'm curious how many of you already know about Kahr. Number 5. FN309 MRD. Number 5 goes to the FN309 MRD, and this is one of the freshest releases worth your attention. FN built this pistol to compete directly with the big names, and at a genuinely affordable MSRP of around $549, with a 10+1 magazine capacity, it comes in at a price point that's hard to ignore. It features an easy rack slide, which is a massive win for anyone who struggles with stiff slide springs, and it has a no-plate optic cut, meaning you mount your red dot directly onto the slide without extra plates adding height. For the price, you are getting features that usually show up on guns costing much more. If FN keeps releasing pistols like this, they are going to shake up this entire category. Subscribe now if you want to see our full in-depth review of this pistol coming soon. Number 4. HK VP9cc. At number 4 we have the HK VP9cc, and this is where things get premium. Heckler & Koch has a reputation for engineering excellence, and the VP9cc is arguably the most refined trigger in this entire micro-compact class. Coming in at around $1,399 with the optic package, a 3.12-inch barrel, and 12+1 capacity, this is a premium piece of engineering. The ergonomics are outstanding, with interchangeable backstraps and side panels that let you dial in the perfect fit for your hand. It is priced higher than most guns on this list, and factory optic options do require buying the optic separately. But what you're paying for is precision. If you want the smoothest shooting experience in a micro-compact, and money isn't the deciding factor, this is one of the best guns you can buy today. Make sure you're subscribed, because we're doing a full-range test on this exact pistol very soon. Number 3. Canik Mete MC9. Coming in at number 3 is the Canik Mete MC9, and a lot of experts are calling this the best overall value in the entire micro-compact category right now. This striker-fired 9mm comes in at under $400 with a 3.18-inch barrel, and it ships with 12-round and 15-round magazine standard, giving you 12+1 or 15+1 capacity right out of the box. It also comes bundled with a full accessory package, including a holster, extra magazines, and tools. That is an insane amount of value for the price point. High capacity, excellent ergonomics, and genuine optics compatibility make this one of the most complete concealed carry pistols on the market. If you want the most bang for your buck in 2026, the Mete MC9 might be the smartest purchase on this entire list. Like this video right now if Canik has earned a spot on your personal shortlist. Number 2. Springfield Hellcat Pro. Almost at the top, number 2 belongs to the Springfield Hellcat Pro. Springfield took everything people loved about the original Hellcat and stretched it just enough to improve shootability without sacrificing concealability. Priced around $650, with a 3.7-inch barrel and a 15+1 magazine capacity, you get a longer grip for a full firing grip, improved capacity, and the same optics-ready slide that made the original Hellcat so popular. It delivers strong performance and remains one of the top-performing everyday carry choices for anyone who wants maximum capacity in a package that is still genuinely concealable. Recoil control is noticeably better than smaller micro-compacts, thanks to the slightly extended frame. If you are torn between capacity and concealability, this pistol solves that argument for you. Drop a comment telling me if you'd pick the Hellcat Pro over the original Hellcat. Number 1. Sig Sauer P365. And at number 1, still holding its throne, is the Sig Sauer P365. Years after its original launch, this pistol remains the benchmark that every other micro-compact gets measured against. At an MSRP of around $599, with a compact 3.1-inch barrel, this is one of the best-priced guns on this entire list. At the core of the platform is a modular fire control unit, meaning the serialized part of the gun lets you swap slides and grip modules without needing another background check or FFL transfer. The ergonomics are excellent, the trigger is solid, and the 10+1 flush magazines, or 12+1 with the extended magazine, are deceptively small for how much capacity they hold. Add in 3-dot tritium night sights, standard on most models, and an optics-ready slide, and you have a pistol that checks nearly every box. If you don't own one already, this is the gun that started the entire micro-compact revolution, and it's still winning years later. So there you have it, the 10 best micro-compact pistols worth buying right now, ranked from budget-friendly options all the way up to premium refined performance. Whether you're picking up your very first carry gun or upgrading your current setup, there is something on this list built for exactly what you need. Before you go, I need you to do 3 things. First, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we post new gun reviews, comparisons, and range tests every single week, and you do not want to miss a single one. Second, smash that like button right now if this list helped you narrow down your next purchase. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people who need this information. Third, drop a comment below telling me which pistol from this list you're most interested in, or which one you already own and carry. I read every single comment, and I want to hear from you. If you're serious about finding the right everyday carry pistol, check out the videos on your screen right now, where we go even deeper into holsters, optics, and ammunition choices for every gun on this list. And remember, always check your local laws, get proper training, and choose the pistol that fits your hand and your lifestyle best. See you in the next video.